Welcome back to Fabricating Awesome Stuff. In today's episode, we're going to be doing part 2 of fitting and trimming the engine cowling for the Sonex aircraft that I'm building. So let me know what you think in the comments. Also, remember to like and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of these updates. I hope you enjoyed today's episode, and thanks for watching. I modified my floor jack in order to use it as a support to hold the lower cowling in place while I'm trimming and fitting. And the way I did that is I removed the pad, the jack pad, and I found that a 7/8 inch half-inch drive socket fits the hole in the jack perfectly. And then I put a half-inch extension on it, and I used a pipe fitting that I attached to a 2x4 so I could screw a 2-inch pipe onto the 2x4 and hold it in place. Then I take this 2x4 with the pipe and slip it over the half-inch drive extension, and that holds it in position so that I can use the jack and the 2x4 to support the lower cowling. So it really made it easy in order to hold it in place by myself. I have the bottom cowling blocked up and clamped in position after lots of trimming. The alignment disc is in place to get the proper alignment and spacing for the propeller. And the hinge halves on the firewall that attach to the cowling have been marked up, and I marked the location on the cowling with a Sharpie so that I can take the cowling back off and install those hinge halves, and it should line up. I marked the location of the hinges for the cowling, and I clamped them into position. So now we're ready to start drilling the pilot holes for the rivets. So we'll start that now. Okay, now we have all the pilot holes drilled, and I've removed every other cleco so that we can up drill now for the 1/8 inch for rivets. I've deburred all the holes on the hinge halves and cowling, so now we're ready to start riveting. We have the bottom cowling installed. The hinge pins have been installed on the hinge halves. And come around on the front. And see, all the rivets have been installed in the hinge halves on the cowling. So next we'll be tackling the upper cowling, which I'm sure will be a lot of fun. This is quite a bit of work, but just keep after it and you finally get it to fit. Thanks for watching.